Fellow Ghanaians, members of the media, distinguished patrons, good afternoon to all of you. The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Ntwibo, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wontumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wontumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wontumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral right. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the President Party that are engaged in galamsey of which the President knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? You are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohammed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo North South, Ahafo North South East, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determinations in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist, while overlooking allegations involving others, especially from the president's own party. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces far greater than political persecution at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and areas owned by farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region, Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates urgency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. No government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Chairman Wontumi is not alone. There is no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wontumi. The New Patriotic Party stands firmly with him. Our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge his judgment through the appellate process. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP as a political party considers Wontumi a political prisoner. Thank you very much. May God bless our homeland, Ghana. We do the tree one. Enyanum adofo ene numre ya frem aba ha ye pese Ghana ne amansa nyina ehu se ene jaja otranse a odi Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Ntwibosi akwa asem no atemu a odi aba no ya atemu a achia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem ena atemuafo no woye ya rawo ne se yadutum se Ghana emra ena ese ye adwuma nanso so Emra no nkyerɛ sɛ bi obi bi atɛn na ɛkyia me nka ho asɛm. Asɛm a ɛda court n'anim ɛnɛ court ni buaeɛ no ne tenten ni ne tetia ɛne sɛ obia ne wɔ a ɔwɔ prosecution hɔ attorney general office hɔ etimi ka asɛm ɛma ne to asom sɛ Chairman Wontumi sɛ bi no ni nkrata sɛ obetu sɛ bi gold ɔwɔ yasase so ɛno ɛnya ade a court no edi akyinneɛ nti ɛkyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wontumi no ɔkrata a ɛma no ho kwan sɛ obetu ɛfɔm agudie. Asɛm a court no ɛka ɛne sɛ ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo de Chairman Wontumi akɔtwe aban kokom ne sɛ ɔmo sɛ Chairman Wontumi krata na okra na emrɛ mu no ho kwan sɛ obekura saa krata no ɔde saa krata no ama obi sɛ ɔmfa nkɔyɛ adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sɛbi ɛnkyerɛ sɛ Wontumi ɔkɔyɛ galamsey efi sɛ title na okra no na emrɛ mu na edi mu bɔne aban ne kaso ayɛ ne sɛ ɔse Chairman Wontumi de ne krata ama obi akɔyɛ adwuma aban na mpere so na so ɛkɔ court no prosecution na ntima nkyerɛ pefere sɛ ampa adanse a ɔwɔ kyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wontumi de ne krata na asase ama obi sɛ ɔfa nkɔyɛ adwuma aban no ampere so prosecution no ɔmo ntima nkyerɛ mu judge a wodi asɛm no ɛsɛ amo ba ya bedi adanse na asɛm a ɔmo kaeɛ no ɛno na ɔdo to nsianiani a ogyina so a ɔka sɛ Chairman Wontumi edifo ɛno ne mmɛm yɛ ka no circumstantial evidence na so ɔmo ntima prove beyond reasonable doubt a yɛ back criminal prosecution a ɛsɛ prosecution na sɛ court no edigyina so ka asɛm no obi asɛm a ɔka kaeɛ ɛno nti ɛna judge na gyina so a ɔka sɛ ɔde Chairman Wontumi akɔto ɔma aban no kukuo mu yɛ NPP party no deɛ ka ne sɛ ɔmampani mahama sɛ ɔwɔ pɛpapa sɛbi illegal mining yɛ friend galamsey no obɛko ho na so betu ho ɛsa ɛnna wa bɛn mu nkurɔfoɔ bebree wɔ mu a wa okra ogye tum sɛ ɔmo to na so ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔmampani de Ghanafoɔ busa ne sɛ saa asɛm no akosi sɛn o party for no no ɔmo yɛ no ehu asɛm no akosi sɛn na akɔyɛ sɛ ɔmampani ne NDC ahohare a asɛm bi ɛfa opposition for no ɔmo ɛde kɔ na sɛ ɔmo tu ho asa no ɛnɛ saa ahohare no bi ɛna asɛm fa NDC for ho a ɔmo tu saa asa no ɛgɔfo di petition kɔma Yoko ɛfa NDC or national organizer Joseph Yami ho ɛna ɔmo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho sɛ ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔmampani ne NDC fo ebusa mo sɛ asɛm no akosi sɛn uyɛ no firi a NDC mmara so bejani ɔwɔ Ahafano South East yɛ friend Mohammed Yakubu a ɔhene bi pam no free na hemfie ɛnam sɛ ɔyɛ galamsey hu no yebusa ɔmampani sɛ akosi sɛn oba awowin MP or NDC MP or friend Honorable Oscar Ofori-Labi ekuo bi FM Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso mampani ni NDC fo ne se saa no ma ne nyina no akwa akosisen me fa saa akonya we so maka cho mampani se esema ehia Ghana fo hwe se obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom ni opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade asi wo so Cocoa farmers for esu sabi encheye ene nso eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ene regents ni biaka omampani ka nwadi a wode prosecute opponents no kasa nwadi ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flag no nsem no engine nsem wo mem ha na de me ka ko wie ne se me hye titafo me hye mo boss NPP Chairman Wontumi enja ne mu me ka che mo se sabi ene ehia no NPP legal team for no ya ka chom say omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no edi aba na me wie no me pese wiasem nyina ati ase se Chairman Wontumi Abanku Kuma de Dakotri no, a Yamayosem, Sebi, and your bonibin Wakakoye. A political prisoner. Amayosem tea, and yet Nakoto Abanku Kuma.